Okay, so as I said before, this is just a review of what we did in class today. The first one is the inequalities, and that's supposed to be quite easy because the first one you just treat like a normal equation. 3 minus 7 is greater than 3 minus x. Move the x's to one side, so the minus x becomes plus x, and the minus 7 becomes plus 7. Giving you 4x is greater than 10. And if you divide by 4, x is greater than 2.5. If this was to be, you haven't asked in this question, but if it was represented on a number line, you'd have 1, 2, 3. As it's not with the equal sign, it would be an open dot pointing in that direction. Okay, for this one, as soon as you see the inequality symbol and the fact that it's quadratic, you're going to need to get it so it looks like a quadratic. That means everything over to the left and 0 onto the right. Now, if the x squared term is positive, it's happy. So nice smiley face. And what we need to do is work out if we want above or below sea level. And this is below because it's less than, so we want below sea level. So we will need this region here. I need to find out what these critical values are and y equals 0 at this critical point. So I need to solve the equation. Where does this thing equal 0? Well, it factorizes, and we've got 4 times 9, 3 times 12, so I need positive 12 and minus 12 and plus 3. Okay, let's double check. X times x gives me x squared. That gives me plus 3x minus 12x. Yes, okay, that's going to work. So that means the critical values are x equals 12 and minus 3. If I put those in, this must be to the left and this must be there. And so the region I want is captured between minus 3 and plus 12. Doing this little sketch is critical to getting the answer correct. So I'm going to do that. X is bigger than minus 3, comma, x is less than 12. Well, if x is bigger than minus 3 is less than x, which is less than 12. Now, my original question had this extra little line here. Okay, sorry you can't see what I'm doing, let me just move that there. And so I need to make sure that's in all of these other things, so I need to put that in there, and that would be my finished answer.